In this video, I'm going to see how I can upgrade this website with a little bit of JavaScript. So we can see here we have an HTML document, and in the head of the HTML document, we have a different kind of code. So we have some CSS, which controls the style of my page. I'm going to add another type of code, and I'm going to put that within the body tag. So within the body tag, all the way at the bottom here, I'm going to open up an HTML tag that says script, and I'm going to close that as well. So we can see that on lines 31 and 32 that I've included. So I'm going to leave some space in between, and in here we can put what we call JavaScript. We know that HTML defines the structure of the site, CSS the style, and JavaScript the functionality. So I'm going to use ChatGPT and see if it can add some functionality to my site. So I'm asking ChatGPT, here's my prompt, can you provide me with JavaScript that will have an input field within my web page and prompt the user to give me their name, then print to the screen their name. So here it gives me the code. I'm going to copy. Actually, I can see that it's given me HTML code as well. I recognize this by the style of the tags. I don't want the HTML code. I just want the JavaScript. So I will come, you know what? I'm going to tell, just give me the JavaScript. There you go. So I'm going to copy this code, and then I'm going to go to my web page, which I was editing in Glitch directly, and I'm going to paste the code, and we're just going to see what happens. ChatGPT will tell me what to do here, okay? So you'll see when I run this, or if I open it, preview, in a new window, I don't see anything that's happening. That's because there's code that needs to be in the HTML as well, because the form and so on needs to be defined. So had I read the original, I could have probably gotten my answer. I'm going really quickly here. So what do I need to add in my HTML page for this to work? And there you go. It's giving me this code. So it's telling me that I have to input this code into my HTML. Now, they do give me a complete HTML example. However, I don't want that because I already had my page with that I wanted to use. So I'm only going to take these lines and I'm going to go and put them in the body. Let's put them under the paragraph here and save. And now I should be able to see if I refresh. So this is the new page that I see. It doesn't look very nice. So we're going to deal with that after, but I just want to see if the actual JavaScript is working. So if I enter my name, press submit, and then it says, hello, Annie. So maybe I'm going to ask ChatGPT to center this. So if I press Control U, I can see the whole code. I'm going to select this and tell the chatbot, this is my entire code. Can you center the form and greeting message? So I'm going to see what happens. There you go. So I'll delete what was here, paste my new code, and then I'm going to go in preview in a new window. Whoops, looks like I lost my CSS. So sometimes ChatGPT doesn't do as I'm told, so that's why it's good to understand this code as well. So hopefully you're curious to learn more. I just told it that I wanted the page to look exactly the same as it did before with those items centered. It looks like my content is gone, so I'm going to hope that this has fixed it, and we're going to go and see. So I'm kind of just chatting back and forth with ChatGPT and checking what it gives me. This is not what I had originally, but actually I like it better, so I'm going to leave it like this. So it's tweaked my HTML, my CSS, and now I have some JavaScript. So let's see that it works. There you go. So I can type in any name and it seems to print it very quickly to the screen. So you can have fun with the ChatGPT app to tweak your JavaScript to make it do what you actually want it to do. So that's how you can use AI to create an interactive functionality to your web page. So the sky's the limit. Try to be creative.